Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn the use of between operator. So the between operator selects values within a given range and the values can be number, text or dates. The second point is the between operator is inclusive. Begin and end values are included. Here is the syntax. Select column name from table name where column name between value 1 and value 2. Let's quickly see in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server, select the database and click on new query. And then select one of the table we have created so far for customers. Select star from customers. So we just put the between. Let's do it. I want to see the data on the basis of create date. So just copy paste this query again here and then where column name create date. And then we need to use between operator and here we need to give the first date. Let's say I want to see the data between 1st June to 6th June. Okay, so in between I want to see the data. So here we need to use and or and. So then select the query and execute it. We can see that only the rows which has the date from 1st June to 6th June. Here we can see the data. Let's change this and put some text. So here we have the date and then put here, let's say I want to see the customer name, customer name and then between, and here you want to mention the date. Here we need to mention the text. Let's say I want to see the data from Ego Chapel to, let's say, Mike. Just select it and execute the query. So what it will show here is, so it will show the data from, so this is Mike Luther, it's coming first, and then this, and this, and this. Here we can mention, they just mention here order by, and then just copy paste the customer name and use TSC. That means now the name will be populated in descending order what was earlier. So this is Mike, then John, Ego. Let's not put this one and then execute only this query. Select it and then you can see that. So it is ascending order by default. So Igor, it started with I, then J, then M, and then here is MICH, and here MICK. So that is what it is coming for. So this is how we can use between operator on text as well as on the date, and we can use the third one as mentioned here, that is number. You can mention the number as well. Let's quickly see the number here. Just copy paste and here we have the number here, the customer ID, and just put customer ID, and then here we want the data, let's say from 2nd to 4th. Okay, let's execute it and we can see that the number 2, 3, 4, it is executed here. Here as well we can use order by to see that the order. So just put here, let's customer ID this time, order by, and then here customer ID. Just execute this query. Something it is order by. Okay, so order by is already there, so I'm just using twice here. Just remove it, order by, and then customer ID, and then select this query and execute it. We can see that 2, 3, 4 is a sequence. It is ascending order. If you mention here ESC, that is descending order, and select the query and execute it. This is 4, 3, 2. So this is how we can use between operators. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.